In a realm where unpredictability reigns supreme and the unexpected lurks around every corner, the need to be armed with the right tools transcends mere convenience. It's a crucial necessity. Imagine, if you will, a treasure trove of gadgets meticulously designed not just for survival, but tailored to instill a profound sense of empowerment and unyielding confidence in the face of adversity. Embark on this journey with us to explore some enigmatic survival aids. These aren't merely tools. They are enigmatic entities, poised to unlock a realm of readiness and resilience in the grand narrative of life's unexpected twists and turns. Stay tuned as we unravel the intricate tapestry of these cutting-edge marvels, each one poised to be your stalwart companion in the gripping adventure of navigating life's most unforeseen challenges. Prepare to be mesmerized as the cloak of mystery surrounding these gadgets is unfurled, revealing the secrets and wonders they hold, guiding you through the labyrinth of life's enigmatic journey. 1A1R, the Swiss Army knife of rescue tools. A1R isn't just a gadget, it's a multifunctional powerhouse compactly designed to encapsulate a plethora of life-saving utilities. Resonating the spirit of a modern Swiss Army knife, it's crafted meticulously from durable, high-quality materials. This sleek innovation encapsulates an array of indispensable features. A built-in LED flashlight that pierces through darkness, a seatbelt cutter standing ready for swift escape, a window breaker for emergent exits, and a reliable power bank for keeping your essential devices charged. Its versatility isn't just an attribute, it's a testament to its adaptability across a spectrum of scenarios, making it an ideal companion for road trips, outdoor escapades, and the unpredictability of everyday emergencies. Whether it's illuminating the darkest corners, breaking free from entrapment, or keeping devices operational, the A1R stands as a beacon of preparedness, ready to be your steadfast ally in the face of any unforeseen challenge. Also, if you'll like to keep enjoying this kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. 2. Gofindme, the GPS tracker redefining safety. Imagine holding in your palm a sleek, powerful guardian of safety, the Gofindme GPS tracker. This compact and lightweight device, reminiscent of a handheld wonder, doesn't just redefine safety. It revolutionizes the way we navigate and protect ourselves. Its design, while unassuming, harbors the capabilities of satellite technology, enabling real-time tracking, SOS alerts that can echo across distances, and two-way communication, features that transcend mere convenience to become indispensable assets for adventurers and safety-conscious individuals alike. Robust and resilient, this gadget isn't just a device, it's a safety net, offering a user-friendly interface that becomes your guardian during outdoor excursions and unforeseen emergencies. It's not just about tracking, it's about assurance, seamlessly integrating technology and safety to ensure a shield of protection in every step of your journey. Venom GaiterV2 armor for your lower limbs. Picture a formidable shield, not for the hands or the torso, but for the often exposed lower extremities. The Venom GaiterV2 stands as an impenetrable fortress against nature's harshest elements. These gaiters aren't mere accessories. They're a fusion of ruggedness and weather-resistant materials, meticulously crafted to shield against the unexpected, particularly venomous snake bites. Embracing the essence of durability, they offer an unparalleled defense for adventurers traversing snake-prone terrains, hikers navigating harsh landscapes, or individuals seeking robust leg armor for various outdoor pursuits. With every step, these gaiters stand guard, making the Venom GaiterV2 an essential gear, not just for the trailblazer, but for anyone venturing into the unpredictable embrace of nature. 4. Airsaber EliteX2, the futuristic hunting companion. Imagine a weapon that seamlessly blends sophistication with sustainability. The Airsaber EliteX2 emerges as a sleek, air-powered rifle that revolutionizes the art of hunting. Its advanced air-propelled arrow system offers not just precision but a silent and eco-friendly approach to securing sustenance in the wild. The fusion of long-range capabilities and unparalleled accuracy makes it more than a mere hunting tool. It's a necessity for those seeking sustainable methods for acquiring food and ensuring protection amidst nature's untamed domains. It isn't just a weapon, it's an ethos, a harmonious blend of precision, power, and environmental consciousness, making it an indispensable ally for hunters and survivalists navigating the wilderness. 5. CellVault Battery Storage, power resilience in a compact form. In the tapestry of survival gear, imagine a compact, rugged capsule, a true sanctuary for power in the most unpredictable terrains. The CellVault Battery Storage isn't just a gadget. It's a fortress designed to safeguard spare batteries for a multitude of devices. Its exterior, reminiscent of an impenetrable fortress, shields these vital energy sources from the harsh whims of the environment. Its crush-resistant design stands as a bulwark against the unpredictable elements, ensuring that your lifeline, communication and navigation devices remain powered even amidst the most tumultuous conditions. This isn't just an accessory, it's a vital cog in the wheel of any survival kit, ensuring that the thread of connectivity and information remains unbroken, even in the face of adversity. The CellVault Battery Storage isn't just a guardian of power. It's the silent protector ensuring that, in the wild dance of the unknown, you remain equipped and connected, a small yet indispensable component in the grand tapestry of survival preparedness. 6. BBR-99 Camping Stove, optimized outdoor cooking. The BBR-99 Camping Stove stands as the epitome of outdoor culinary innovation. Crafted for adventure, this stove is a marvel of compactness and efficiency, designed for the intrepid camper seeking reliable sustenance in the wild. Its lightweight, portable design belies its remarkable power, offering quick and efficient cooking capabilities. With a focus on reliability and ease of use, this stove ensures that no matter the terrain or weather conditions, a warm meal remains a constant comfort, making it an indispensable companion for outdoor enthusiasts. 7. DMM Pinto Pulley, precision in vertical terrain. Enter the realm of precision with the DMM Pinto Pulley, an engineering marvel specifically crafted for vertical terrains. Its sleek, compact design masks its incredible strength and functionality. Designed for climbers and riggers, this pulley offers impeccable efficiency, enabling smooth movement and control in complex systems. Whether it's for rescue operations or vertical adventures, its precision and durability make it an essential tool for those navigating the challenges of vertical landscapes, ensuring a reliable and controlled ascent and descent. As we conclude this journey through an array of innovative survival tools, we're reminded that in the dance of adventure, preparation is the ultimate partner. These tools aren't just gadgets, they're the unsung heroes of the great outdoors, each with its own unique story and purpose. So, if you were stranded on a desert island, which of these tools would you want by your side? Drop your answer in the comments below and let's keep this conversation rolling. Remember, in the grand tale of survival, it's not just about the tools you have, it's about the stories they create and the adventures they accompany. Stay tuned for more thrilling explorations, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for your next journey into the unknown.